How to change the font size on your Samsung smartphone. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to guide you that how you can change the font size on your Samsung smartphone. So to begin with, you need to go to the settings on your Samsung smartphone. Once you go to the setting, scroll a bit where you will find display. Tap on display. It will bring you here. You need to scroll a bit where you will find font size and style. So you need to tap on that. And here you will find the font size option, a slider. If you go to the right of the screen, you move it to the right of the screen, it will make the font size larger. If you go to the left of the screen, as you can see in the preview here, the size of the font will become smaller. And here is the setting font as well. As you can see, it also changes with it. So if I make it a bit larger and then I go back, and here as you can see, even the settings font is also changed with it. So it will change all the font on your phone. So you can go back to font size and change it anytime that you want. So guys, this is all it takes to change the font size on your Samsung smartphone. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.